Oh, I am so excited. Yes.
Sun shining on and on. Sun shining on and on.
Although it has been sunny, you can see I'm wearing gloves, so it's also cold, around 6 degrees, but it's sunny, so it's an enjoyable weather. It's not raining at least, so gonna enjoy it. Yo. Shopping street is closed today, but there are some shops still open, and a lot of people are out today. You can see in the background there are a lot of people walking around, and a lot of things happening here, and there is an excitement. It's a good weather. I like it, and I clicked a lot of photos, and it was a nice experience today. They are open today. Tomorrow's waffle shop. I love the waffles here.
Yeah. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Attention, it's very hot.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
The easy way to eat is by hand.
Yeah.
Try yourself.
Yeah. Thank you. These are delicious. Do you see the warning for spring tide? It's nothing but there was a few weeks ago there was a warning of high tide coming on the riverside. So I'm currently at the riverside. It's a nice location, a perfect way to end my day, end my vlog instead. So I was telling about the spring tide. It was there was very high water, and the water reached up to this border, so people were not allowed to come here because of a lot of rain. And you see now today the weather has really improved. I really like to see those clouds and colorful sunlights over there. It's pretty awesome weather today.